Hey everyone, welcome back again. In this video we are going to learn how we can make short videos with AI. So I'm going to show you how we can text to short video. So I'm going to open my browser and you can see this site flicky.ai. If you don't have any account, then you need to create account. After that I'm going to select turn text to video now. In here you can see the new file. We need to give file name, select your language and dialect and aspect ratio. From here you can change this. I am going to select portrait. So this is actually our short video size. After that I am going to submit this. In here we can write prompt or we can write script. So I'm going to write script. After that I'm going to submit this. And you can also choose template. But I'm going to submit my script. It is processing. You can see it's generate our video. So I'm going to play this.
Today, we're diving deep into the secret sauce of YouTube's success.
So you can see our video is ready. You can also drag this scene up and down, or you can delete this scene or duplicate this scene or add new scene in here. But I am happy with my default scene. So after that we can download our video from here. So you can see our resolution and format. So I'm going to export my video. So guys, in this way you can create your short video with AI and you can download your video. So guys, in this way you can create your short video with AI. I hope you understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel for more videos.